Hey guys, Mitch here, Stone Coat Countertops. Marcy, mixed media girl. What are we doing now?
We are going to do a ridiculous painting called The Turkey Pour.
Sweet. I watched this video just recently.
Yes. So, I don't know, when you're a little kid, right, how you make a turkey, and I mean when you're like 3, right? You put your hand down and then you trace around it and you draw the little turkey head, okay? So I thought, why not do that with an acrylic pour? Now, the goal is not to make a turkey, okay, guys? But it does give you a really unique pattern. Plus, it's just fun. I like being a little kid.
So we're leaving our hand down. You're going to pour the paint over. We pull up.
So you want to fill up your cup about 3/4 of the way in any order. People in my last turkey pour video suggested like peacock kind of colors. So we're going with sort of those in this video. Cooler colors with a little bit of purple thrown in there. Yeah, I'm gonna throw a dash of yellow too, because that will get us the green.
I never put black in the last one. I think I messed up. Black gave it a cool contrast.
Yeah, I like the black.
All right, I don't have gold.
Okay. I'm good whenever you're ready.
I'm always slower at pouring.
Well, that's because I just go crazy.
You're the pro.
Yeah, if you want to throw a little yellow in there.
Little yellow.
Little yellow. And this is going to be extra fun because I have little baby hands and he's got
I got a giant gobbler hand.
He's got like lumberjack hands. It's so weird. Oh.
That it? Is that enough?
Maybe a little more.
What color? White? I got enough white, purple, gold, yellow. I put yellow.
A little white. Yeah.
A little white. Now I'm going dead center.
Okay. Okay, good. I think we're good.
Cool.
All right, so we're going to put our hands down. Can you pour with your left?
I am a lefty. I'm a southpaw.
Oh, sold. Okay. Look at that. How big. So we're going to pour over our hands.
We got room for one more.
We do. You got to throw a glove on.
This is epic. Like, we're doing... You said peacock. I was disappointed you didn't do your peacock sound.
No, this is turkey.
No, but she said peacock colors.
Peacock! Peacock!
Yes, that is a peacock. So, are you guys invited me? So,
Yes.
Yeah.
So, but
You're going to get in there.
I got to
we
make
do
a
an
gobbler
experiment.
noise.
I think we do it with no personal protection on
No
the hand.
glove.
All right. This is
This is
acrylic paint,
dangerous
guys,
right
so
here.
don't freak out. It's okay.
Freak out. Freak out.
Okay.
Right now.
Freak out if you want.
Right here?
Yep. Here we
See,
go.
it's small, medium, large.
All right, so we're gonna pour. Just pour over. It's a really weird sensation.
Oh, it's so cold.
I know,
It
right?
feels like I'm at the spa.
Oh my God, your fingers are so pretty. You're not gonna be able to wash them.
That is cool.
Oh, your fingers are cool. It is cold.
Yep. I know, right? Such a weird sensation.
Well, she drove up to the cold, and these were probably in the car, right, Marcy?
Oh, that's true. Yeah. And they were in the car overnight because
this is so
too lazy
pretty.
to unload and then reload the car.
These would make pretty acrylic fingernails.
I know, right? Don't give
I
away
am
my
not
next
washing
secret
that
idea.
hand. I'm heat gunning my hand.
Okay, so now slowly pull up, straight up.
Oh, Luke, this is an epic shot right here. Should we all do it at the same time?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
And
Let them
then,
drain or...
all right, and now we're gonna tilt. See, you're not gonna get a turkey, obviously, but you see those lines?
Yeah.
Stay
That's
there,
a
huh?
really unique pattern that
they
you
accumulate.
don't get with another technique.
This is
So
cool.
I just came up with this for fun, and I was like, I'm gonna try it, you know.
Look at that. Those colors are so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was very interesting doing it with 3 hands.
And mine had a lot of purple on my side.
Oh yeah,
Wow.
gorgeous.
That is.
So there we go. You still got the handprints in there. Can you see? Yep.
Oh, I just put dot. I'm
You
sorry.
did.
I'm sorry,
Well,
Marcy. You knew
This isn't resin. You can't tap it out.
I tapped it out. That's just automatic, man.
I know. I'm like, it's not resin. Just leave it. You just leave it.
So are we going to be able to do a clear coat on this? Would that look cool?
Yeah, we need to wait for it to dry. I'm going to tilt just a little more this way. I love those lines. See those lines?
So sick.
I love the edges that it creates too.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And then it'll dry. Ideally, to coat it in resin, you let it dry for like a few weeks, but it's
Sure.
there's no hard fast rules necessary.
And this is a canvas, so it can.
Yeah.
You want to let that water get out, or else it's going to cloud up that epoxy.
Right. Yeah, but gorgeous, right?
That is unbelievable.
That's a fun. We should high five.
No, you should not. Especially
wait
not
for
over
the
the painting. Oh my god, you guys.
It just adds to it.
Well, I'm gonna get my phone to do a close up for this.
Oh, that is.
All right, guys, we're gonna do our usual close up. So from this side, this is the lower right hand corner, up to the upper right hand corner. So because of the randomity of using 3 hands, we didn't maintain the lines as much, but it's still awesome. Like if you actually look, you can see that my hand was right here. So super cool, and Mitch flung some paint over on this section, taking off his glove. That's okay. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
From Stone Coat Countertops, you got this.